So this is something I had installed a while ago on the bike, Sirius XM. For those of you who don't know, you can get Sirius XM on your recent bikes, late bikes I think. And you select it by the menu, you go to the menu, take FM. Sport Go is my player in the bike. And but you can go back and XM. And it works pretty well as long as you're in rural areas. I can see where it wouldn't work if you're in a big city, LA, New York. I'm in Jackson, Mississippi, so it works pretty well. Trees do get in the way. Trees will block a signal. But it's pretty easy to access, and it's not cheap. It was $400. And here comes a helicopter. So $400, and then $400, and then you install the module. It goes in the fairing, but it works pretty well. I mean, it's, you know, and I'm paying $5 a month for it. They have a special, so it's $5 or $6 a month subscription. But I also have the large antenna. I don't have an internal antenna. I guess that doesn't make a difference on the XM. But they install everything in the fairing on the Sirius XM. So good luck if you want it. Talk to your dealer. I know for a long time you couldn't find them, and I walked into a store somewhere and they had one, so I went ahead and bought it. Had it installed then. But good luck and ride safe.